Hey guys, this is a homemade electromagnetic lock, which looks pretty cool for a homemade one. And we're going to make it with recycled parts from a light bulb. From this light bulb, what we need is one of its parts. This one here, this piece is a coil. We take out the coil. We remove the insulator from the coil. We test the coil. Look how it lifts. Let's see again. Very good. The coil works. Now we make our own coil with the copper wire from the other coil. We wind it up. Once we have all the parts, we're going to start putting everything together. Ready? There we have our electromagnetic lock.